Hello friends, welcome to Blockchain Inside Out. Today I'm going to share you some secret hacks how to earn more SFL in sunflowerland. So you know that my bumpkin is only 17 level and I am not very much interested to increase the bumpkin level right now. And you can see this is my land and I am earning decent amount, not very huge and not very less. So here I will share the secret how I can earn. You can see that I have uh, cooked pumpkin cake. Let's first take it, then I have to take those fruits and then I will plant a fruit, chop those trees. You all know that whose pumpkin level is more than 30 can go and sell those items into pumpkin land. But the thing is that if you are a player, you think properly that you are a player, do you need any elements? Sometimes you may have needed those, but usually you don't require those. You are playing here to earn some SFL, and in the coming bull run you used to sell those SFL to earn some good amount of pol token. At that time there will be no polygon, it will be pol, and we all know that polygon will be converted to pol 2.0 and every polygon will be given 1:1 pol token. So it's not an issue, whatever polygon you are having you will get that much pol token. So that's a good thing, as polygon price will go to increase. So right now you have seen that I have got that pumpkin cake, carrot, two carrot cakes, one cornbread, three sunflower cake, and one potato cake, three radish cake, right? Now I'll go to Pumpkin Plaza and see if I can sell anything. You can see my SFL price is 19.84 right now. Here you go. 19.84, and right now I'm going to see. I'll check out with Grimly and Grimtooth if I can sell something. Well, did you bring something tasty for me? You have bought food? Grimly. Okay, pumpkin cake I can deliver with 2.4 SFL, right? After that, what he possesses? Goblin branch. Okay, no problem. I will go back to my land and start preparing goblin branch. That's one I have to prepare. Then next, what I have to prepare? Pumpkin cake. Okay, another pumpkin cake and goblin branch will give me almost 5 SFL. And I guess there is nothing I can sell off right now. Though I'll check with auction, with blacksmith. Sorry. Welcome. Delivery. You don't possess. Okay. Stone. Oh, I have. If I deliver 25 stone, then I'll get 5.15 SFL. That I can do. That I can do. And apart from that, I'll check a bit and then directly go back. Yes, radish. Well, I am selling 15 radish at 1.50. Let's sell it here, and I have to calculate it while I'll go home. Go to my land, I'll calculate it. If I sell radish directly, how much I'll get. Okay. And Cornwall, well, there is a point to share. If you are collecting this feather, all then only you sell this, you deliver these items to Cornwall. Otherwise, just in lieu of four feather, selling those apples and beetroot is not a wise thing. If you are not collecting anything from feather, then those items will be of useless. You can sell those things directly. Here it is also orange and blueberry. I am not exchanging it for four feathers. No, he is also giving me feather. So I am not interested that much to collect feathers. Rather than I will be more happy to get SFL. So what I have sold 15 radish for 1.5 SFL. First I have to check the price. Hopefully it will be good. Sell radish. Yes, if I sell 10, then I will get zero point 0.5. So definitely selling 15 radish to Pumpkin Plaza is very helpful, very much worthy. And if you get that opportunity, definitely you can sell it. Apart from that, if you are running out of SFL, you can sell it directly here, or you can start creating those things that is required. So first I have to cook pumpkin cake and goblin branch. Goblin branch I'll get some good amount. And sometimes I take this mysterious box. Usually last week I took 10 times, but this week I am not interested to take any more. Sometimes it gives a good amount of SFL as well. That's a good idea. If you are willing to get this, you can do it. Otherwise, you can opt to not take it. And what I do keep. Okay, I have to get 25 stone, right? This time it won't be happen, but next time I can deliver 25 stone and I'll get some SFL. So that is my main idea, that I will collect as much as SFL right now, and I am not increasing pumpkin level because in this land I am having everything what is required for playing. Though I don't have NFTs and all the extra required things, and if you are pumpkin level 30, then you can exchange your ingredients or your stored items with another pumpkin. But that is not a good idea, I guess. If you are getting some, you cannot sell anything because the player who is playing, he is not going to buy things every day from you. So and everybody is trying to sell out their stored foods or stored items. So eventually that is not going to be sold every day. Better you find out that which pumpkin is required which thing, and sell it directly to them. Means I'm talking about Pumpkin Plaza. And apart from that, if your money is required, means SFL is required to buy something, then directly come here and sell it from your inventory. That's all, my friends. You will get some good amount, though it's not a huge amount, but still you can earn. apart from this is my idea, because I am not increasing my worm kill level and not increasing the land, so that I cannot crop more fruits or more I cannot harvest more. At that moment only 35 plots are there to harvest, so that is my safe strategy, or you can say this strategy has been settled for me. This is the secret hack what I have shared with you. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.